Hello you lovely people, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. And a mini card. Today we're on Full Deck Challenge and the prompt is bird. Oh come on. Sometimes these come off really easy and sometimes they don't. My hands are filthy. I was just doing a 3 in 30 minute challenge, which took me 1 hour and 3 minutes 4 seconds. But there's sorry, I should have washed my hands. Got rid of that ink beforehand. What kind of goes with the birdie? Oh, maybe I'll get the fluorescent orange ink out again. I haven't got rid of the bit between their legs yet. But I thought I'd use this bird, which is Tracy Fox Freebie Mechanical Bird. I've got my card, that's my carry forward from last week. So we need to do a wee collage in the back. Oh, mushrooms. I'm not quite sure why that's in there, but we could still collage with that if I wanted. Oh, a bit of map seems very apt for a wee birdie, because a wee birdie's want it toe on edge though. Wee birdie's travelling. Now I'm not suggesting a wee birdie, I don't think they cross the Atlantic, they tend to go north and south rather than east and west, don't they? Well, they come to us east a bit, but only from, there we go. Let's tear that down there. See, let's just turn that down a bit more. I'll put it up there along that side actually, I think. And what else should we use? Oh, there's some sky. That would be, it's a birdie, so some sky would be good. Actually, a tree would be good as well, wouldn't it? Why don't we put the sky at the top, the tree at the bottom, and the bit of map in the middle? It's not long enough, is it? I've got other bits of map that would be long enough. I'm happy to go and get a bit of map that's longer. Oh, look, there's a bit of that. Oh, there's another bit of that. I quite like the idea of the sky in the top, the tree in the bottom. We could put this in the middle, couldn't we? Why don't we do that? Why don't we collage along the middle with this and map bits? It's just slightly because of the corners. Oh, but I could just bring it down, couldn't I? Put it, I'd stick it on there. But I want this in underneath it, I think. And then, do I want to tear this again so that it's not got the white? Or do I mind? I'm just going to leave the white actually. So that'll go down there. We'll put collage. We won't just use that. We'll use other bits as well, shall we? We can use a bit of the map. Oh, there's another bit of map. Maybe that bit of map will make more sense. Don't know why I want to use map. I just feel, you know, moving, travelling. Let's use this bit of map though, because this bit of map's easier to collage with. you know what? I've had a thought, because actually having that in wait. Do I want to do a different bird? I'm just thinking, I really want a flying bird there, don't I? I don't think I've got a flying bird. Let's see. Oh, look at that. I got some splatters all the way up there. That was very... Didn't notice that. That wasn't smart, was it? Oh, for crying out loud. Okay. I splattered further than I realised. That's because I then stood up to splatter, wasn't it? Don't you know, you've done that before, Kirsten. You've stood up to splatter and you've ended up with splatters everywhere. Don't stand up to splatter. Right, birds. They're not flying. These ones are just going to be the wrong size, totally. Oh, I've got my stamp. This is a stamp I made out of eraser. I used an eraser. There we go. There it's there. Now, do I stamp directly on, or do I see an angel on that side? Do I stamp directly on, or do I use that? I quite like that. I quite like it on that. Oh, it's going to come off that bit of green. Is it going to come off that bit of green? I think it is going to come off that bit of green. Oh, I think I'm sorry, Tracy, I'm going to use that. And I'm actually, not only am I going to use that, I think I might stamp another one in the sky as well. So we could put that one on there like that and stamp another one there. It's a goose, and geese fly in flocks, don't they? So I could do 1, 2, and that's the third one. Yes, let's do that. What colour shall we use? What colour shall we use? Shall we just use black? Shall we use brown? First thing I need to do is trim this so that I don't, well actually I don't, that doesn't matter because it's okay if it's flying off. I don't mind it being flying off. Let's get some paper over because it's a while since I've used this. And that was done with printer's ink, and I'm not getting my printer's ink out to do it. This is a new black pad, so let's use black because black should be okay. Look, and I forgot, it's got the border. And I don't really want the border on there. So we're going to stamp it. It's a good job I did that, wasn't it? We're going to stamp it on something. What should we stamp it on? Where's my box of stamps? There's also, I think I only used the angel a couple of times, but the other one I loved is this one. This one is just fabulous as well. Where's the ink gone? Let me just print this one up for you so you can see this one as well. Look at those boats. It doesn't show very well on with the writing behind it. But I love that one as well. What else is it? Oh, that one was started and never finished. It's got blank on that side. Oh, I love this one as well. Oh, I forgot about this one as well. That's flowers on that side, but this is the other side. Look at that cat. I had great fun making these at one point. What we got here? That's a star. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, look at this one. This one's got, oh, that's just, it's got a candle on the side. It's got stars there. It's got waves here. That star was quite nice as well, actually. I did that for Christmas cards and tags. I should have more plays with these. Because they're in the box, I forget about them. And this was the fish. You see, that's good as well. Should maybe leave these out. Right. Okay, that was a wee trip down memory lane. Right, let's just cut these out. One, two, and put that one down here. And this one, oh, I'm going to put the, see, I don't know where I want to put this now. Maybe I'll just hide it behind there. Right. Well, this has turned out very different from how I thought it might. For me, this is a lovely memory of making those stamps, and that was a very early introduction to mixed media. Oh, years ago, years and years ago now. It was a workshop out. We were on holiday, and we were on holiday on Skye, and I found this workshop with a local artist, and oh, I had the most wonderful day doing mono printing and making the stamps, and oh, that's going to cut it. That's all right, it's not cutting into the actual bird. And what else did we do? See, that's the silly thing, because I should be reminded of that stamp, because I've got this up in my studio that I made that day. It was longer, but I had to, it got damaged, so I had to, this was the only bit I could rescue. And this was mono printing, and these are the stamps, and this is mono printing and tearing, and this was rolling, so you get a background with rolling. And so it was longer. It was about 3 foot long, and then down the bottom was the boats, and it was more, there was more kind of this sea idea. Anyway, so I should remember these. Clearly I haven't. I do feel like I want something else on here, and I don't know what. Do I want a word? Do I want some splash? I don't want splashes. Do I want a word? Do I want a flyby? There we go. That's done now. Let's just write the back. This is hashtag full deck challenge 3, and the prompt is bird. And today is the 8th, although you're not going to see this today, I don't think. There we go, Be for Bird. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. Bye for now. Keep crafting.